Hey guys, it's me, Mina, and welcome back to my channel. And today, I'm going to be playing Roblox. And I'm playing Egg Dominant Center because I played this a long time ago, but I played this, I have a bunch of stuff, so oops. So we're getting it. And sorry for that nose. Hold up. I put myself on mute. What? No. Okay, sorry about that, but right now, sorry if you heard that noise. So, I'm in Roblox right now. Says requesting is server is full, but I didn't join anybody's server. So what's the point? And I hope this video goes viral. I hope this goes viral. But anyway, let's just see what is going to happen here. So like I said, I played this, but these are like new ones. So I haven't played this in a while, but like, oh my god. Sorry, I need to get the mouse. So, okay, so I have all these. I have 4. Like I said, I played this a long time, and then unlocked because I have so much money. Literally, I don't know what to do with all this money. Sorry about that. Get rid of that. What I'm basically going to do is just spin. So get this one. So I'm spending a lot of money on all of them. And see, oh, I got a cheese. Oh, so cute. The cheese ones are rare. Ooh. Okay, so let's see what we'll. I got a chessboard, yes. Okay, so I can't because that one's too much. 2,000. So, what I really want to do is I want to get this one. I need way more money than that. But what I'm gonna do is buy this because yeah, why not? Just let me. This is. Oh, I need more space to do it. Oh my gosh, you guys! Literally, I need more space to do this. Like, what the heck? So let's collect all the money I found. What? Ooh, okay, so. But I got all the other ones opened, so let me just get the treasure chest. Okay, well, I guess they're done. So I got 2 summers. Summer 1 and summer 2. Can you guess what summer 1 is and summer 2 is? That was summer, and both of the summers are fast, but you know which one's first. So a lot of what's it called? Sorry about that, guys. I accidentally ended. Now I know how to end it. So you guys probably I'm really glitchy right now. I don't know how to do this. Okay. So we're just. So this is what it's basically about. So look at all the pets I have. Look at all the pets I have. I have 34. I need one more. Because it's supposed to be 35. But I have to get 500. 1,000. 5,000. And that's never gonna, I don't think ever gonna happen. So we are done. And guys, this was short, but I wanted to show you how to do this. And yeah, this video. If you did, smash that button, and we'll see you all next time. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to be a part of our new squad, and you can get a new iPad mini. Down below what you want, cause a camera. So subscribe. Animation Squad, Yam Squad, yeah! Love you guys all so very much, and see you guys next time. Goodbye!